Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be removing the alternator in a B7 Audi A4, so stay tuned. I'm going to start by disconnecting the battery. Now I'm going to remove the accessory belt. I'm going to use a wrench to release the tension, then remove the belt. Now I'm going to disconnect the two wires from the alternator. I'm going to disconnect this pipe, then I'll be able to move it out the way to gain access to the bolts. The alternator is held on by 4 bolts. I'm going to move this intake pipe out the way to gain access to the bolt at the bottom. Now I'm going to remove the 4 bolts, then remove the alternator. And that's going to be it for this alternator removal. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about this project. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.